Now today we will see how to install Node.js as well as how do we create a React app. Okay, to install Node.js, open Google Chrome, type Node.js, click on this. Here we can see based upon your operating system, click on Windows. Now it open an exe file. Just follow the instructions so that it will automatically install, because I have installed already. So it will be downloaded here in this particular format, and you click on this one. It will say just follow these instructions so that it will be installed automatically. Okay, once it is installed, please verify through your command prompt, saying that open your command prompt and click on node-v. Say it will display your so what is the version of Node.js is being installed in your machine. So once the Node.js is installed, so we are ready to create a React app. So today we will see how to create a React app, how do we run it on your local machine. Okay, to that we have to follow some commands. So first command is npm install create react-app, and another command is npx create react app hyphen your project name. So the final command to run this particular project is npm start. Here the first command to create a React app. So if you want to create a React app in your local machine, so we have npm node package manager install create hyphen react hyphen app is the command. Okay, I will available this particular comments in the description of this video, so that you can copy paste and type them. So once you click on this one, it will take some time to install your react hyphen app. So please wait for a time to install it. So in my local machine I have already installed. Okay, after that, what is the command we have? I just npx create hyphen react hyphen app. This is the package we have already installed. This package will help us to create your React application. Okay, this is like how do we create usually the projects in your Visual Studio Code. So it will automatically create now like this from the command prompt. Here we are creating your project. So my app is my project name. So click on this one. It will take some time to create your app in your local machine, because based upon your machine performance and your internet connection, it will take a couple of minutes to install it. So please wait for a second to install it. It will take approximately 2 to 3 minutes to install your packages. So once all these packages are installed, it will display finally like happy hacking. So it will take a couple of minutes based upon your internet connection, because it will be approximately 200 MB size. In that, only one particular folder is having 95% of space. Okay, we'll go through it. So once it is installed, okay, open your Visual Studio Code. So open your Visual Studio Code and click on open folder. So now we will see where your app is installed, where your app is created. Okay, user. in the app. Open that particular folder. Extract this. Here the main packages are node modules. So whether you use Angular or React, create app, node modules is a common. Like to each and every package, we have created as a modules. So this is the public folder. This is the source files. Means whatever the code we are writing here, it will adding into this particular folder. So usually these all codes are we will check in into the GitHub usually. So by default there is a one package it has been installed, git ignore. So in this whatever we will specify, these folders will be ignored while you are checking the code into the GitHub, uploading the code and downloading the code, because especially node modules, this is the folder is having approximately 200 MB of size. So whereas your entire app will be in 205 MB or 210 MB. So only node modules will occupy the 95% of the space. So we'll discuss about these things later. And the main file is the package.json. Here it will display what is the version of your package, what is the name of your package, what are the things we are using, so what are the modules we have downloaded, and everything. Whenever we started installing one by one package, it will automatically update in the package.json file. It's like web configuration file for the .NET applications. So what is the React version we are using and everything, it will be updated automatically. See, and next close this one, go to terminal, click on the new terminal. Okay, here it will automatically, it's like a command prompt for your Windows operating system. It is in Visual Studio terminal. Here click on npm-start start. So it will start building the application and it will automatically open into your local machine. So by default whatever the React so whatever we are running on your application, it will by default load on the localhost 3000. So it was pointed me like another app is already running on the machine, so it asked me to run it on the another port. So it automatically opening into the localhost 3001. So in your terminal it will display like starting the development server. So in the browser it will display on localhost 3001. So the very first time it will building all the packages, it will take approximately 30 to 40 seconds of time based upon your operating system and based upon your hardware configuration. So myself I am having only 4 GB of RAM, so it will take some time, but usually it will be faster. So here you see, this is what the React app is created, your application is created, and if you want to do any modification to this one, here you will say edit source.app.js and save to reload it. So you just go through the source. Here is my app.js. I want to edit something. Here I will say I have edited the source. Click on save, it will automatically recompile it. And update the same in your browser. Here you can see whatever we have updated. I have edited the code. It is automatically reflected here. Here now we will just see from where this page is being displayed. We have updated in the app.js file, but where is the page is being displayed? There should be some HTML file, right? The HTML file is nothing but the public index.html file. In this one, there is a one main root file is there. In this particular div, whatever the we are updated is being displayed in here. Okay, if you want to try a change, React tab. So the title I am changing my app. Save it. It will automatically compile in a seconds, milliseconds. So it has been already reflected here. So this is how we will create a React REST application, and we'll see it in your local machine. So before that, in our next videos, before going to the further of the React.js components, so we have some things to learn here. The main thing is, it is, as I said, it is basically built on based upon the JavaScript library, right? The latest versions are ES6 and ES7. So from JavaScript 5 version onwards, we are calling it as a ECMAScript, not JavaScript. So ES6 and ES7. So in these things, basically we are using the main things is ఇంటే వీడియో ఇందులో లింక్ పంపిస్తాను ఒక వ్యూవర్ వస్తుంది యూట్యూబ్లో ప్లీజ్ బేబీ నచ్చింది అమ్ము ఇల్లమ్ము నేను ఇప్పుడే స్టార్ట్ చేస్తుందే ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ టైం నువ్వు మళ్ళీ నన్ను కామెంట్ చేయడానికి So in this, the main things we are repeatedly using is arrow functions and the classes. How do we declare a functions? Not like an existing function, simply function name. So it's arrow functions to minimize the code and classes. So we'll see in further videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.